my koutou, ko kendrick ahau. I am Kendrick.
And kia ora, Winton School. Ko Jake ahau. I am Jake. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 26th of February.
Okay, we start with the day with a big kia ora to all the students returning to sports equipment to Charlie's at the end of playtime and lunch.
Keep up the good work. Your efforts are much appreciated and it makes our school look tidy.
Straight to health and safety news. The UV forecast for today is high from 12 o'clock until 4 o'clock and sun protection is required from 10:30 until 5:30 tonight.
So make sure you're wearing your potae and your sun smart at touch rugby too.
Okay, HI VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
And a reminder about wearing full school uniform to and from school. And to assembly too, koutou.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is reka, which is te reo for yummy, sweet or tasty.
As in te no reka te inu. This drink is sweet.
Ooh, can I please have some of that reka, that yummy drink?
Sure. Reka, which is te reo for yummy, sweet or tasty.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Touch news. Listen carefully, koutou. Practice for the Winton Leopards at morning tea time today. Please meet Jack and Archie at the library steps.
And Winton Whirlwinds, can you please meet in the junior lunch area also at lunchtime?
Winton Wombles, you have a practice at lunchtime. Meet at 12:40 by the library steps.
Winton Wipeouts, please meet Georgia and Briley at the junior lunch area at 12:40.
And Winton Stags, can you please get to field 5 by 3:45 for a quick practice before your game? Kia ora.
School Council news. Can the 2016 School Council please meet Mr. Wadsworth in the group room at 1 p.m. Thank you.
PALS news. Could all of our physical activity leaders or PALS meet Mr. Tucker in the group room at morning tea time? Kia ora.
And that's it for today, week and month. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team, ka kita a tira marama. See you next month.
Haere rā, Winton School, and stay classy.